Yeah, I got a lot of requests. Well, not a lot. A few guys email me and ask me, since ammo's kind of shortage now, if there's like a course of fire they could do for everyday carry. Um, the one I made up, it's like 50, 60 rounds. It's however you really want to do it. I do it with my Glock 43 because that's the gun I carry right now. So you have to go out and practice with it. So I did this course of fire and stuff, and you could do it with 10 rounds, or you could do it. I did mine with 8 rounds, so it's like 8 repetitions, whatever your gun will hold. You know, that's how I did it and stuff like that. And it's good practice. I'll tell you what. Let's go to the range, and I'll let you guys check it out and see what you think and stuff like that. Like I said, it's practice. You could use a timer if you want. You could keep the score if you want. If not, it's just going through the repetitions of doing it too. So okay, let's go back out to the range and we'll see what happens out there, and I'll let you see the video. What we're gonna do is strong hand only. All right, here we go. .228. Okay, let's try it again. .239. One more time. We're going to do it 7 times. .235. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. .32. Okay, next shots are going to be weak hand only. So, here we go. .194. Let's try it again. .184. Try it again. .175. This is at 10 yards. .192. Now let's go up there and look at the target and see how we did. It's at 10 yards. Oh, let's see. One flyer, one in the 3 zone, the rest all zeros. All right, weak hand only. This next set of drills are at 10 yards using the Glock 43. Just single draws and fire one shot into the IDPA target. Okay, I think I got 8 in there. We're just gonna shoot 8. Okay, here we go. .278. .272. .255. 255. I forgot to show you the target, I'm sorry. There we go. Okay, let's do the next drill. This last set of drills is reload drills. What we're going to do is shoot one, do a mandatory reload. Okay, let's see how good it goes. Here we go. All right. 457. 457. We're going to try it again using the Glock 43. Here we go. Oh. Help if I racked one in there. Do over. Okay, here we go. Make sure we got everything ready. Okay. Same thing. Oh. All right. 557. Fumbled a little bit on that one. Target. Hopefully it's good. Yeah, it's good. And like always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the little bell on there so you get notified when a new video comes out. And leave a comment if you like. Thanks again.